Hello again everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, my topic is about the inverse hyperbolic. If you can see, meron na tayo example sa formula. So example for hyperbolic, inverse hyperbolic is d times sine h raised to negative 1, then 2x. Okay. So the formula natin is d times sine h is to 1, negative 1, then u, then equals du over square root of 1 plus u raised u squared. So, ito yung ating gagamitin formula, no, for this problem. So, first is, hanapin natin yung mga value ng u, then value ng u, 2, u squared na to, and then yung b natin. So, ano ba yung value ng u dito? If you can see, yung value ng u is ito, no? 2x, then yung ating du, which is 2. Then ating u, 2 is 4x squared. So, if you can see, ito na yung ating given. So, ngayon, substitute natin sa formula, which is yung du natin is 2 over root. Square root natin is given na yung 1 plus yung u squared natin is 4x 2, which is ito na yung answer natin para sa problem na ito. So walang halos magagawin, so parang substitute na lang, wala yung given, substitute. So yun na. So bigyan pa tayo ng isa lang ng example, b plus 1x squared. So para mas maintindihan ng iba, no, bigay pa tayo ng isang example. So yung kanyang formula is du. Ibang naman to, ibang formula naman to. Yan. So du over square root of u squared minus 1. So hanapin natin yung u. Then ganun din, same procedure pa rin. Du, then yung u. So natin, so which is yung u natin is x2, ito. Then du natin is 2x, then yung ating u2. So same siya dito. So hanapin natin yung u2, hanapin natin dito. So which is x4. Okay, ganito natin yung given natin. So ngayon, substitute na naman natin sa formula is 2 square root. Yung u2 natin, same siya dito, is x4 minus 1. So this is the answer. So para maghanap ng given sa inverse hyperbolic, then substitute mo lang para makuha mo yung final answer. So yun, thank you for watching and God bless.